description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that I'm really curious about. This is Jin Ramen Spicy. It used to be just called Jin Ramen Hot, and the name on it used to be Otoki. Now it says Otoki, and I think that has to do with the correct way to pronounce it. I was talking to my kid's bus driver. He is a wellspring, because he's South Korean, of information on Korean ramen, which is spot on. So he was like, do you know what Otoki means? And I'm like, no, I don't. I know Paldo has to do with reunification, and Nongshim means farmer's heart. But no, he's like, okay, I didn't know those. He's like, Otoki is like a doll, like a plastic doll. Kind of, we used to call them Weeble Wobbles. And you like tip it and it goes ring, 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 ring. And that's an Otoki. Now you know. And knowing is the entire battle. Oh wait. We have to put in our feisty and spicy. They've gone, I'm pretty sure the whole thing with Otoki is the US brand. That is what Otoki will be selling. It's like Otoki America. I'm pretty sure that says that right. Yeah. Yeah, distributed. Oh, interesting. It says distributed by Otoki America. I emailed them and asked them, so what's the deal with this? I don't know. And I haven't gotten a reply yet. But I really want to find out what the official reason for the name change of this product in particular is. So let me boom, 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 boom. All right. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, this is great. I'm gonna slap that on top, and it's gonna go for 4 minutes. So I don't know if you can see. Can you see over here? No, you can't. You can't see. So I've got a row. Now you can see. I've got a row of hot sauce over here. Why? Because I just went to the store earlier. I like this stuff. This isn't my favorite Texas Pete. I like the sauteed garlic one. And at the dollar store, they always have just crap loads of it. And these are like $1.25 a bottle there, which is really cheap. So I stocked up. I mean, I use hot sauce on like everything for dinner. So there you go. That's the whole thing. But yeah. It was kind of crazy this morning. Like I mentioned in the last episode, I'm taking gabapentin, and it's just like such a huge difference. For the last like 3 or 4 months, walking up the hill next to our house has been torture. It's like I'll go out, walk around a bit, come back, start walking up that hill, and it's like every step is just like burning hell. And no, not anymore. I like chugged up that hill. I was like full bore in outer space, just shooting up the hill as fast as I could possibly walk. So I like that. I like that. Makes me feel a little loopy too, and I like a little loopy. But you know. So this one I'm going to try my new stuff with. I went on Amazon and I bought a $20 jug of pubic hair. No, I'm kidding, but that's what it looks like. But Doesn't it? Doesn't it look like a $20 jug of pubic hair? But it's not. This is Spiceology chili thread, Korean chili thread. But it'll work for, I'm going to use it with Japanese stuff too. But I've been like hemming and hawing about buying some of this stuff for quite a while. I really like how it looks on spicy noodles. And honestly, I tasted one of the threads. I'll see how it goes with broth. There was, what was that company that sent me stuff? Cameron Ramen? I'll have to email them. But it was really, really, really good stuff. And I think this is the same thing. But granted, a jug of pepper thread was $20, and this is 1 ounce of it, but there's a lot of it. It's just like a big weird thing. So we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty stoked. I'm excited. Yeah. Went to my son's spring 4th grade performance yesterday. So we went in front of a whole bunch of people and sang a song, or sang a bunch of songs with other students, and it was nice. He did good. And tonight, my daughter has practice for softball, and we're gonna do that. And we're going to play with our soccer ball again, me and the boy. You can... Alright, so here is our finished product of Otoki. Spicy gin spicy. Now, the gin mild, I microwaved with the microwave instructions. So I was curious to see what the difference might be. This one has imagery of a lot of little peppers, and I'm very curious if those will come to fruition in the finished product here. I keep thinking I'm seeing little bits of pepper, which I appreciate that. So here is our noodle. We'll give it a try. It doesn't seem as wide of a gauge as the microwaved version did. Anyways, cheers. I will say I like it better microwaved. It's a little more chewy this way. Here's the broth. Spicy. I don't know. I think I like the mild better. However, this is quite good. It's screaming, give me cheese. Give me lots of cheese and add-ins. I gotta rotate this thing. This is not... That might work. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this bowl. Here. All right. So we're gonna toss this in here. And there's just way too much noodle. So I want you to be able to see that broth as good as possible. So we're gonna get rid of a bunch of it. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. There we go. That's good. Okay. I want this to be beautified in the highest. Okay. So, we're going to add in some scallion. We're going to add in some of this. Okay, come on, work with me. Don't go crazy now. Drippy drip drip now. So what I'm doing is I'm getting rid of the egg whites because I want this egg to lay pretty. Look at that. Yeah. I'm going to use it like that on the next one too. I think we need a little more scallion. And this is where I mentioned my new cool stuff. And that will be coming in next. If you like, I tell you, if you're a fan of Shin and you've never tried this, you should try it too. You should try Paldo stuff. There's like little differences in all the different Korean brands, but this one I feel like it gets not so noticed. Okay. A little more pepper thread. Come on, hairy hair. Like that. I don't know how easy it's going to be for you to see. Hopefully in the pretty pictures you'll be able to check that out. But yeah, there's little threads. Pepper threads. Alright. Yummy, yum, yum. Here we go. Alright, so the next one that you're going to see me cook up is a new touch variety from Japan that came by way of Frank. Good old Frank from 5 a.m. Ramen, who picks out some really fancy high-end stuff in Japan. That's where he's at. This is a new touch spicy dandan noodle, and I think this is discontinued at this point. They come and go so fast, but maybe it was reintroduced. I'm not sure, but that's going to be the next one I cook up on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Writer wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. See, I'm getting the water all ready to boil to make this next one as we speak. So, yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.